Developing deep intimacy is widely considered a cornerstone of psychological well-being. A supportive and trusting romantic relationship can provide a psychological buffer against life stressors. But not everyone expects or even wants this type of emotional closeness. Psychologists recently investigated how socially antagonistic personality traits, known as the Dark Triad, relate to what people anticipate from a partner. The Dark Triad includes narcissism, psychopathy, and Machiavellianism. Narcissism involves grandiosity and an excessive need for admiration. Psychopathy is characterized by impulsive behavior and emotional coldness. Machiavellianism describes a cynical worldview and a manipulative, strategic approach to interacting with others. People who score high on these traits often experience relationship difficulties. Researchers wanted to know whether these profiles, along with underlying attachment habits and romantic beliefs, predicted a person's expectations for mutual sharing and trust. To investigate this, researchers surveyed 900 adults aged 18 to 74 who were currently in a romantic relationship. The participants completed questionnaires measuring their Dark Triad traits, relationship anxiety, emotional avoidance, and beliefs regarding idealized romance. The researchers also measured what each participant expected regarding emotional closeness and trust. The results showed that general relational habits were the strongest predictors of intimacy expectations. Avoidant attachment strongly predicted a desire for less emotional closeness. And on the other hand, holding highly idealized romantic beliefs was the strongest predictor of expecting high levels of intimacy. When looking at the Dark Triad traits, Machiavellianism emerged as the strongest personality predictor of low intimacy expectations. People who view social interactions as strategic endeavors were less likely to anticipate mutual trust in romance. Psychopathy did not uniquely predict intimacy expectations once other variables were included. Narcissism displayed a different pattern. Once the researchers statistically removed the manipulative tendencies of Machiavellianism, narcissism weakly predicted an increase in intimacy expectations. The researchers suggest that the need for validation associated with narcissism might explain a basic desire for closeness. Demographics also played a role. The negative association between manipulative traits and a desire for closeness grew much stronger in older women. Older women with high levels of Machiavellianism reported the lowest intimacy expectations of any demographic group in the study. For younger women and men of all ages, a high Machiavellian score predicted lower intimacy expectations, but the effect remained consistent regardless of age. Learn more about this study and other new research at PsyPost.org.